Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can edit a PDF file completely free. So let's get started. First of all, you'll need to head to the website called sajda.com. This is a very efficient website to edit PDF and it's completely free. So after you're in the website, click on edit a PDF document over here, and after that you need to click on upload PDF file over here. Now after you have selected a PDF file, you will get something like this. And then if you want to edit basic information from your PDF file, you need to select text over here on top. So after you have selected text over here on top, if you click on a text, you will be able to edit the text from here, just like I'm editing the text. So as you can see, I have changed the text of my full name. If you want to edit any other text, you can just select the text from here by clicking on the text, and then you can just remove or edit the text as needed. So I will edit this date of birth too. So as you can see, I have also changed the text over here. Now after that, you need to click on text over here again so that you have stopped editing. Now there are other options, like you can also add images, and you can also add your signature, you can add forms, you can white out a portion, you can add annotation, highlight, underline, strike through your text, and lots of other options. Now whiteout is also an important feature over here, so let me go to whiteout and show you what it does. Basically, I'm just going to drag this portion over here, and after that, as you can see, that portion is completely gone from the PDF file. Now if I click on apply changes right over here, then you'll be able to see that the PDF document is ready, and I'll click on download again. So after downloading, I have opened the PDF file, and as you can see, the previous information from below is totally gone and the changed information now exists in the PDF. So that's how you can edit your PDF file completely free, and it's very efficient comparing to other tools. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like these.